Okay, this is my Spira designed 27-foot Garvey mobile. As you can see, I've already got the bow on, all the plywood on the sides, and ready for the bottom plywood. Now what I did here is I built the strong back originally and felt that it wasn't sturdy enough for these wide frame members. So as I did is I put 24-inch wings on each side of the strong back, and that every station of the ribs, they were all measured up to the strong back, and then what I did is I squared up the transom end, and every station at its measurement I made the outside of the frame members the same measurement. And then what I did is I put these two blocks on each side of the frame member to keep it in place, and then I put one screw into the frame member so it wouldn't move in any way, shape, or fashion. I felt that helped me tremendously with keeping everything straight and square. You can see, like I said, I've got all the plywood on the sides and the bow and the transom. Now I did put a lot of screws in there every 2 inches, and I used 3/4 on the transom, 3/4 inch plywood, and I left it, I didn't put any screws near where I will be mounting the motor in this area. And again, the whole frame right there with all their cleats in place to keep everything nice and square and true. I did check my square from this corner, from corner to corner, and in 24.5 feet or so I was about 1/4 inch off, but I'm gonna live with that and hopefully won't have any problems. That's it for now. Again, this is a Spira designed Garvey 27, and this is my first boat build, so I'm hoping it turns out okay. I got a little bit of fairing to do on the transoms and the sides and in the bow, and then I'll be ready for my bottom plywood. Alright, I'll send another video later. Thank you.